You go.
Hi, my name is Selena Chen, and as you see here, we arrived in Turkey.
Yeah. This is Ephesus.
This is in Ephesus. As you see here, that this is a very old place. Old temples and everything. Lots of bugs. Even some kitty cats come here. They are very attracted to this. They're wild sacred cats. But as I'm saying, we just walked up these ancient stairs to see the whole view. It looks very pretty, as you see.
Huh?
And I don't know what we're going here, but I'm soon gonna find out. Bye for now. See you to the next show.